welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. Today we're going to continue our studio series by showing y'all how you can set up one of our big ring lights. So I've got my ring light right here. On the back of the ring light, you're going to see this power box. This is where you're going to find the power cord, so you can make sure that that is fully plugged in. And then we're also going to have our actual power dialer right here. If it's all the way to the left, that means it is turned off. You can see the instructions right there. But as I adjust this dialer, you're going to see the light get brighter or dimmer, depending on where I want to set my light up. So now you're going to see that it is face down. It is not up where we want it, so that it's actually shining on our face. That's where we're going to start to use these knobs. So if it is facing down like this, you are going to lift this piece up until it is at the angle that you would like it to be at. And you're going to see these little knobs right here on the side. These two run the tightness of this top piece. So if it is flopping around, you will tighten this piece right here, or if it is way too tight and you need to be able to move it back into a different position, you'll be able to loosen these screws right here. Now these other knobs are going to allow you to change the actual height. So right now this is really, really tall. If I was the actual subject of the video, that ring light would not hit on my face the way I need to. I'm very short, so I would need to lower this. So once you loosen that knob, you will be able to lift or lower your ring light to whatever height you need, and then you will tighten it back up at whatever height you have chosen to use it at. So when we are facing the front of the ring light, you're gonna see this little holder right here. That is for your device. Typically it's gonna be your cell phone that you're using. So you can either set this up landscape or vertical, and you will use this right here to tighten or adjust the hold on your device so that it doesn't fall over while you are recording. These particular ring lights do not adjust their color. They do not go into rainbow colors. It is just the white light with that dimmer. So there's no remote that you're looking for. There's nothing that's going to change the actual color of the light coming out. Once you are finished, you'll just take that dimmer. Again, you'll turn it all the way off. If you have any additional questions on how to use this equipment, please let us know in the comments. But until next week, thanks so much.